So 2025 GTA housing statistics represented similar trends. Similar trends because the average prices went down from the year before, about 4.7%. So numerically, that's that's substantial when you look at it in after-tax dollars, right? You also have to take a look at the number of sales. Number of sales, okay, we're down 11.2%. That's a huge amount, okay, from the year before. And the year before was softer than the year before. And so what does the outlook look like for 2026? So many so-called experts are saying that the freehold market will probably stay stable, may decline a little bit, but the condo apartment market is definitely very, very soft, and it's going to continue dipping. They use the word dipping, and I think it's an appropriate term there. That said, okay, average prices for 2025 averaged $1,067,968. It's still higher than 2019. However, is 2026 going to be a great rebound? Probability-wise, probably not. And here's why. There's still so much uncertainty with respect to the economy, with respect to buyers' motivation, with respect to buyers' confidence more than anything else. Because despite all the facts that are happening out there, there's still a lot of unnecessary anxiety. The reason I say that is because in fact, all anxiety is manufactured. It's not real, right? So, if you're on the selling side, real estate has always been and will always be a micro market. What I mean by that is that if the property in a certain specific neighborhood shows better value than the other ones, it's going to sell above market value if it's marketed properly and shown properly and presented properly. That said, the opposite is also true. So, if you're on the buyer side, there's phenomenal opportunities. The reason I say that is because last year, only 21% of listings actually sold. That means, numerically, and by the way, real estate boards never publish this, over 234,000 listings never sold in 2025. So what do you think's going to happen with those prospective sellers? Eventually, they're going to want to sell, right? Of course. So there's a plethora of pent-up listings that haven't sold that eventually will go on the market and sell. Well, are they all going to go on the market in 2026? No. Some of them were just fishing sellers. What do I mean by that? That means they were only fishing for interest. Their pricing didn't reflect 2025 values. And so they won't sell. They certainly won't sell at, skyrocket prices above market value. So there's great opportunities on the buyer side, and there's great reset opportunities for the seller side. To find out more, just contact us, and we're always happy to help. All right, have a good one. Thanks.